Suppose you are doing some calculation in Microsoft Excel where you need to do a sine theta, cos theta, tan theta formula and put in some degrees, but you need to convert it into radians. Why? So in this small video, we'll see all about the radians. What is the radian? What is the relationship between radians and a degree? And what we have to do in Microsoft Excel to get our calculations right. So we see a circle and we got a radius. Now we take this radius outside of the circle and then we bend it across like an arc around the circle. That is the length, and this area is known as the radians. This is equivalent to 1 radian or 57.2958 degree. Now in a circle we have seen 1 radian, and this is the second radian, this is the third radian, and this is some part of a radian. So in total, in a half circle or 180 degree, we have 3.1416 radians. Sounds familiar? Because this is pi. Pi is equal to 3.1416. So half circle 180 degree is equivalent to pi radians. So a circle is equivalent to 2 pi radians. So 1 degree we can say is equal to pi by 180 radians. Now let's see the same thing in Microsoft Excel. So in Microsoft Excels, I have degrees and we want to convert them into sine theta, cos theta and tan theta. So let's see how we can do that. So we start with is equal to sine of and then take the 10 degrees in the A2 and we get a sine theta value. But this is wrong. This is not the right answer. We need to convert the degrees into radians, and the formula for converting the degrees into radians is equal to, you type radians under bracket and then you select the degrees, and that is your radian. Now let's convert all the degrees into radians. Now I go back to the sine theta formula. In there I type is equal to sine of in the bracket and I select the radians, and that will give me a proper sine of 10 degree value. The same thing I can do with the cos theta is equal to cos of in bracket the radians of 10 degree, and that will give me the cos theta value, cos of 10 degree. Let's do that same for the tan theta, and tan of 10 degree of radians gives me that value. Now we can do it in a separate way also other than using the radians. If we want to use the degrees, we can use pi by 180. So let's do is equal to tan of degrees. We select the degrees, multiplied by, I type pi under bracket, bracket closed, divided by 180 and bracket closed. And that should give me the exact same value of what we achieved from the radians value. So friends, these are the two ways that you can do it. You can use the radians to do all your sine, tan and cos formula, or you can use pi by 180 formula. If you really learned something today, please give me a thumbs up and leave a comments down below, and I'll see you in the next video.